Arthur J. Fisher, James O. Fisher, and Ralph J. Fisher purchased their parents' business, Fisher Sand and Gravel, after World War II. They expanded that business into several additional construction-related companies, including Central Concrete, Fisher Transportation, Central Asphalt, Bay Aggregates, and Fisher Engines. As they were expanding their business footprint, the brothers did not forget their communities as they served on many civic organizations in the mid-Michigan area.
Ralph J. R.J. Fisher Sr. and his wife Zelda founded the Fisher Companies in 1925 with the start of their first business, Fisher Sand and Gravel of Midland, Michigan. The couple managed a small farm, and R.J. began to supplement their income with teamster work. By World War I, he operated 14 teams of horses to provide hauling and gravel services for the Dow Chemical Company and Midland County. Together, Zelda, R.J., and their sons, Arthur, known as Bill, James, known as Jim, and Ralph, known as Bud, weathered the Great Depression, labor and material shortages, and World War II, in which Bill and Jim served. Upon Bill and Jim's return from military service and Bud's coming of age, the brothers purchased Fisher Sand and Gravel, and with Jim serving as president, continued to grow the business that their parents had established into a leading supplier of ready-mixed concrete, sand, gravel, and aggregate products throughout the state of Michigan. In the 5 decades that followed, the brothers would expand and develop the Fisher Companies until, combined, they formed a 400-employee operation with an annual volume of over $100 million. The brothers founded Central Concrete Products in 1955 and Alma Concrete in 1960. With Bud serving as president, the companies provided ready-mixed concrete, sand, and gravel, as well as construction supplies and services to the Mount Pleasant and Alma areas. The brothers would later maintain both locations, but merged the companies as Central Concrete for maximum efficiency. In 1957, they further founded Fisher Contracting with Bill as president, providing construction and heavy civil contractor services to a variety of federal, state, municipal, and private clients in the Great Lakes region. The enterprising brothers would go on to add 4 more related companies: Fisher Transportation in 1970, which originally hauled bulk cement to the brothers' ready-mix plant, but has since grown into a major trucking company providing construction hauling services throughout mid-Michigan. Central Asphalt, 1982, of which Bud served as president, and which offers a full range of services from residential to major public roadway projects. Bay Aggregates, 1983, which provides ready-mix concrete and is a major supplier of quarried stone products to the mid-Michigan area. And Midland Engine, 1984, a high-end machine shop and heavy equipment dealer with a strong reputation throughout Michigan for its quality sales and service. Avid fans of outdoor recreation, the brothers opened Mount Pleasant's Bucks Run Golf Club in summer 2000, having developed a premier golf course on the site of a former Fisher Sand and Gravel pit. The brothers have also founded and managed numerous joint projects, including Alpine Mobile Homes, Fisher Property, Fisher Oil, River Project, and Judy Land Development. Highly respected members of their communities, the Fisher brothers individually, together or with other family members, have been active or made significant contributions to organizations such as the Boy Scouts of America, Rotary Club, Exchange Club, Salvation Army, Bullock Creek School Board, Northwood University, Central Michigan University, Michigan State University, Midland Country Club, Associated Builders and Contractors, Michigan Infrastructure and Transportation Association, Associated General Contractors, Big Brothers and Big Sisters, Meals on Wheels, Michigan Ready-Mix Concrete Association, Michigan and National Society of Professional Engineers and Asphalt Paving Association of Michigan, among many others. Collectively, the brothers have served in leadership positions including president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer within one or more Fisher companies since 1952. Individually or with other family members, the brothers have been honored with multiple honorary and service awards. Bill, individually or with his wife Betty, has received Junior Achievement Hall of Fame, Rotary Club Paul Harris, Exchange Club Meritorious Service, Midland Chamber of Commerce Distinguished Service, Midland Beautification Dahlia Hill, and the Salvation Army Lifetime Achievement Awards. Bill, a retired Army Air Corps lieutenant, also served as a board member of the First National Bank of Saginaw and as president of the Midland Area Contractors Safety Council. He holds an honorary doctorate degree from Northwood University. Jim, individually or with his wife, Geraldine, has received a Bronze Star for his U.S. Army service in Europe during World War II, is a State of Michigan registered professional engineer, and was awarded lifetime membership in the Michigan Society of Professional Engineers. Jim, a retired Army Combat Engineers captain, served as president of the Bullock Creek School Board and Midland Country Club. He holds a B.S. in Civil Engineering from Michigan State University. Bud, individually or with his wife Mary Ann, has been awarded honorary membership in the Benefactor Society and Management Fraternity and received the annual Chamber of Commerce Brem Tourism Award. Bud also served as the director of the First of America Bank from 1980 to 1992, on the Airport Advisory Board from 1979 to 1992, and has been a member of Central Michigan University's President's Club since 1995. He holds a B.A. in Business Administration from Michigan State University. Combined, the brothers provided more than 200 years of lifetime service to their families, communities, and the construction industry. They are known for their exemplary integrity, hard work, and respect for their employees, customers, and the public, and they continue to give selflessly of their time, talents, and resources to improve their industry and community.
Accepting this award are inductee Ralph J. Fisher. Accepting this award for Arthur J. Fisher is Miss Janet Fisher McPeak, and accepting this award for James O. Fisher is J.W. Fisher. Please come forward and accept this honor for your dedication and efforts to the Michigan construction industry.
Good evening, everybody. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank Ferris Institute, the university, for all the hard work and efforts gone into putting this program together, and for all of the support they've given the construction industry over the last several years. I have a couple of young folks here that are eloquent and much better prepared to tell you how happy we are to be here. Thank you.
You're probably all relieved to know that I'm not Arthur J. Fisher, but I'm here on his behalf. I'm his daughter, Janet, and I would like to thank you for him for the gracious, very gracious recognition that you've bestowed on him and his two brothers. He will be celebrating his 92nd birthday next April, and unfortunately his health wouldn't allow him to be here tonight, but he is with everyone in spirit and very, very honored by this award. As the very well put together video showed, he has spent over 70 years in one capacity or another, helping to build a family of Fisher companies, and they were named in the video, but I will say them again. Fisher Contracting Company, Fisher Sand and Gravel, Bay Aggregate, Central Asphalt, Central Concrete, Midland Engine, and Fisher Transportation. Over the span of these 7 years, the only time he took out from these endeavors was to participate in some professional training, and also he served as an Air Force pilot in World War II. I know my father would like to especially thank my mother for her continued support over the years, as well as his brothers, Ralph and Jim. We have other family members to thank as well. My cousin J.W. Fisher, Kyle White, who's here, also Aaron White, Craig McAllister, and Doug Moore, and as well as our very talented company managers, Vance Johnson, who is here, Steve O'Mara, who is here, and Alan Kennedy for their excellent work and dedication in our companies. So finally, I'd like to express my personal pride and that of my sister in all of their combined accomplishments. So thank you very much.
Well, Janet is pretty well said it all and said it better than I can. But I just say that I've had the privilege of working for these three guys for 32 years, and it's just a miracle that they haven't killed each other. So they may be titans of the construction industry, but they're still three brothers. And despite their disagreements, the fact that they're three brothers and family, I believe, has made all the difference. And I'm honored to be here accepting for my dad, who wished to thank the Hall of Fame for the honor, and he really wished to thank his two brothers for a lifetime, over 70 years of carrying on what their parents started 87 years ago. So thank you.